Hey, how's it going? Today I'll show you how to get the best spicy apps to your Firestick in 2025. The whole process is super easy and will take you only a couple of minutes. And without any further ado, the very first step you gotta take is getting the app code downloader to your Firestick. If you already have downloader on your device and it is properly set up, then you could actually skip this step. But if you don't have downloader yet, or you are unsure if it is set up correctly, then of course you need to follow me. So we just need to go to search on the Fire Stick, open the search bar, and start typing downloader in here. And as you can see now, the downloader has already popped out for us at the bottom. So just click on it, and here is this orange app, which you need to get to your device. But then after you got downloader, it's not over yet because you still have to set it up. So in order to set up the downloader now, just go to settings, go to My Fire TV, and here we have to turn on the developer options. But on some Fire Sticks, and especially on the new Fire Stick devices, the developer options might be hidden by default. So if that's the case, and you cannot find developer options anywhere, then no need to worry because it's pretty easy to make them appear. Just go to About, select Fire TV Stick, and now you have to start clicking on the middle button on your remote. And do it fast, so let's do it. And as you can see, now for me at the bottom, it says no need, you are already a developer. That's in my case. And in your case, it will say that you have become a developer now. So if you go back a bit, you will finally see the developer options now. Just open them, make sure to turn on the 8-bit debugging. After that, head to install unknown apps. And now from here, all you have to do is just locate downloader and turn this option on. So what it does, it's gonna allow you to install other applications from the internet and not necessarily only those apps which are only available in your official Amazon App Store by default. And that's exactly what we'll do right now. So now we just go back to the list of apps on your Fire TV stick. There it is. Let's open it together. Here we go. And now there is the downloader, which is set up and ready to use on your device. But before actually using the downloader, there's one more thing which I always recommend doing. And it's of course connecting to a VPN. In my case, I mostly use NordVPN. Because they're super fast, they got a great app for Fire Sticks, Android TVs, phones, laptops, or pretty much any other device you may use. And they are not expensive for such a premium service. In fact, they cost less than a cup of coffee per month, which is a great pricing for us, the users. Then all you have to do in the VPN app is just connect to any server. Let's say I will connect to Canada right now. And from the moment you connect, all your traffic will be totally encrypted. It means that no one can track you or snoop on you online. And that's really important if you want to stay out of trouble. And if you don't have a VPN yet, but you want to try it out, then I do have a great offer for you. If you use my link, which will be in a pinned comment below this video or in a description of this video, you will get 3 months of NordVPN totally for free, which is an amazing offer. And if you're watching this video on your TV or on your Fire Stick, then just grab your phone or your computer, open up a web browser, and go to topvpnoffer.com. That's my website, which is going to give you the same amazing deal for NordVPN with 3 months for free. Or just scan the QR code, which you can see on the screen right now, with a camera of your phone. It works the same way, and it's also going to give you the same deal for Nord. And now, finally, let's use downloader safely. So we just head back to a list of apps on your device, open up, and head to the downloader now. So it's time to start using it. Now here in downloader, all we have to do is just open the search bar And there we'll need to enter different codes to download the apps to your Firestick. And the first code is going to be 307888. Once again, it's 307888. That's the first code you have to enter, but definitely not the last one today. Then just click on Go, and while it's loading, make sure to subscribe my channel so you will get even more content about Firesticks. And now the download of the app has started. Usually it doesn't take long, but of course it all depends on your connection speed. Then you just click install and wait a bit until the app gets fully installed. After that, do not click open straight away. Instead, it's better to press done because this way you get an option to delete the installation files as you don't really need them anymore on your Firestick. So just click on delete and then delete once again. This way you will be able to save yourself some free space on your Firestick. And it's really important because by default your Firestick does not really have too much of free space available anyway. And now when you go back to a list of apps on your device, let's open it up together. And now here at the bottom, you will find this first application, which we just got. So now, first of all, I would recommend you to click on the options button on your remote. That's the button with three horizontal lines, right next to the home button on your remote. Just click on it and then press on move to front. This way, the app will always be at the very top of your application list, and therefore, it will be way easier for you to access the app every time you need it. Just don't forget to keep the VPN connected to stay safe and out of trouble online. And once again, you can use a link below this video to get 3 months of NordVPN totally for free. And now we just go back to the loader and let's get even more amazing spicy apps to your Firestick. So just click home again, erase the previous code, which we don't need anymore, and now the next code will be 647 and then 190. So again, 647190. That's the code you have to enter to get the second application. After that, just click go, and now we are waiting until the download of the second app starts for us as well. And here we go, the download has also started successfully for us. Then just click install again and wait a bit until the installation of this app is also finished. As always, click done and make sure to get rid of the unneeded installation files. And now when you return back to the list of apps on your device, you will also find this second application right here. Let's also put it to the front, and now you got 2 amazing new applications on your Amazon Fire Stick device. Enjoy the apps and see you next time. Bye bye.